Hello and welcome to PhoenixRealEstateExperts.com. We thought you might enjoy a quick tour of the website, particularly the map search. So when you arrive on Phoenix Real Estate Experts, this is our homepage. So you can reach out to Tom and you can text or call him there. And of course, we want to make sure that we have happy home buyers and homeowners. So that's the reason we have that photo there. Now, in case you didn't know, we are offering a free $10 Starbucks card if you sign up with us in order to receive home updates, whether that's home values that you're looking for or home availability. So here is our search map, and you will find this in a couple of different locations on the site. And we just want to make sure that you know how to use it. So you will see circles with numbers in them, and what that means is that there are multiple homes in this geography that have the same price. And the way you can tell that there is what the price is by clicking on the search criteria box here, seeing that it is residential. The minimum price range we have set for this particular search is $325,000 to $600,000. And at any point in time, you can actually change these numbers to fit within your budget that's been approved once you've gone to your loan officer. So we'll just X out of that and we'll click on one of these homes to check it out. Now, when you click on a home, you get an idea of what the exterior looks like, the address, the cost, the number of beds and baths and square footage, and then the real question is what does this thing really look like? So when we click on that, we go to a beautiful picture of this home. Now, there are lots of pictures here. So the thing that I want to point out is that you can save this property by clicking on that, and this is where you would sign up, because we want to make sure that if there's a price reduction on this property or it sells, we want to make sure to notify you of that. And that's a really important aspect. So you can sign up here, and then you'd be able to log in as well from this window. Now, the other thing that's really interesting about this is that you can schedule a showing, or again, you could text or call Tom, but there's also a mortgage calculator, which is kind of handy to have. So I'm going to scoot over here a little bit. And so again, you see the summary of information about the home and what the amount that they are defaulting to for home financing. So you can go through and change this so that your down payment is, say $50,000, and then that will hopefully change that. So the price of the home stays the same. We would say maybe let's go with a 4% interest rate. Mortgage terms typically 30, and then of course estimated per year private mortgage insurance is included. And then basically what it does is it will calculate up here what your payment is. And so that kind of gives you a quick and easy way to understand how this all works. You can also, this is kind of fun, you can click the amortization table, show amortization, and you can see how much you pay towards the remaining balance, how much the principal is, and don't look at this number, how much the interest is on a home of that expense. So hopefully this, kind of gave you a bit of an indication. Now you can always go back to the back button to come back to this beautiful home and then slide through and just take a quick look at it. You can select particular photos if you want to take a look at a bathroom shower. And then of course if you scroll down it will tell you more about the MLS listing and price per square foot and basically the primary features of the home, which are taken from the MLS description. So if you have any questions or you're having trouble finding something in particular, please reach out to Tom at 602-363-0351 or tom.mayer@exprealty.com. You will find his information on every single page of this website. We hope you found this helpful, and happy house hunting. And if you're thinking of selling, check out some of the property values that you can find on this map. Take care.